Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. We're a venture capital firm focused on pre-IPO companies with investment funds for individual investors, family offices, and financial advisors and institutional investors. All right, I got a pre-IPO company update here for you for the week ending 09 June 2023. Today we'll hit on big company news from WarGraphs, Revolut, Databricks, OpenAI, Stripe, Brex, SpaceX, and Epic Games. All right, and large capital raises and also individual pre-IPO company stock performance update. Okay, WarGraphs is a gaming startup that operates with just a single employee, Jean Nicolas. This guy has achieved a staggering sale price of $54 million. The startup managed to operate and grow successfully without any external funding. The company offers popular companion app for League of Legends called Porofessor, which I believe I pronounced that right, which helps players track and improve their playing stats. WarGraphs has been around for some 10 years and generated 12.3 billion euros in revenue last year and was profitable. MOBA, M-O-B-A Networks, was a company founded out of Sweden that buys, grows, and runs online gaming communities, is buying the startup and its existing products. WarGraphs has become a noteworthy success story, illustrating that the size of a team does not necessarily determine the value of a potential startup. I anticipate we're going to see a lot of these one-person companies in the future as AI will start to deliver mass efficiency to developing and managing software. Revolut, a prominent fintech in the challenger bank space, has recently faced a setback as one of its major investors slashed the firm's valuation by 40%. The European venture capital firm Molten Ventures wrote down its stake in Revolut from $115 million in March of 2022 to about $70 million in this March. The Bank of England has indicated that it plans to reject Revolut's application for a UK banking license, and Revolut's auditor has said that it couldn't verify the company's 2021 revenue, and that the fintech firm has lost its CFO and head of UK banking. That said, Revolut has posted strong user growth and solid financials, wishing the company the best as it navigates some of these recent challenges. Databricks, a leading data and analytics platform, has demonstrated remarkable growth as its sales surged past an impressive 60% in revenue this past year. Revenue is now over $1 billion. Databricks' year-old data warehousing product that competes directly with Snowflake passed $100 million in annualized recurring revenue in April. Ali Ghodshi, Databricks CEO, said the company wasn't in a hurry to go public as it invests in new products that it can sell to companies working on AI. He said, quote, "Right now, it's really helping us to stay private." Databricks is smack in the middle of the AI craze. I believe these folks are going to see massive growth in the years ahead. Microsoft's investment in AI products, particularly its partnership with OpenAI, are projected to generate $10 billion of additional revenue for Microsoft. That's about a 5% incremental revenue growth for the company. The strategic collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI has been instrumental in fostering the development and deployment of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies across various industries. The anticipated revenue boost serves as a testament to the increasing adoption and demand for AI-powered solutions. Microsoft's deep commitment to advancing AI innovation has positioned it with a leader in the field, with OpenAI's expertise and research complementing its own capabilities. The projected revenue growth not only reflects Microsoft's strong market position, but also underscores the significant economic impact that AI technologies expect to have in the coming years. I believe that big cloud providers will be the true AI winners in the long run. OpenAI is a nice way to play this investment thesis as it's the only AI shop with with an independent cap table away from the cloud provider itself. Google has its own AI. Amazon has its own. It's a really interesting opportunity, in my opinion. FedNOW is the Federal Reserve's instant payment system to be released in July of 2023. This is very similar to the Brazilian central bank's Pix instant payment system that in just 2 years has become the most used payment method between merchants and customers. Stripe, which is an online payments company, is keeping a close eye on FedNOW system. Will Gabrick, Stripe's president of product and business, said, quote, "We're tracking it closely. I really do think that real-time payments are going to be a big deal. As I understand now, FedNOW, there isn't a mandate, so banks don't have to implement it. For things to completely change the landscape of payments, you need universal coverage. Gabriel noted that the company is not actively working on anything related to FedNOW currently. However, I do believe FedNow is going to be a really big deal and will materially impact Visa, MasterCard, and American Express's business. I can see scenarios where merchants have one price for a credit card and a lower price for a FedNow payment, similar to how kind of gas stations work, prices work for cash or card payments. Merchants have to pay interchange fees for card payments, which can run as high as 3.5% of the transaction amount versus a FedNow payment of half a penny. It's a dramatic difference in price for the merchant. That's revenue that drops right to the bottom line. So buckle up on that one. Brex, a leading financial technology company, has recently announced remarkable growth with two of its product lines achieving an impressive $100 million of annual recurring revenue. This significant milestone showcases the company's ability to successfully penetrate and thrive in competitive fintech market. Brex, known for its innovative corporate card and cash management solutions, has rapidly gained traction among startups and businesses seeking flexible financial services. You got to have a lot of customers to get to 100 million in ARR. This growth solidifies Brex's position as a key player in the fintech industry and highlights the quality of its product development. SpaceX, the space technology and satellite company founded by Elon Musk, has made waves in the industry once again by hiring a young college graduate who is still a child, Kyron Quasi, I believe I pronounced his name right, a 14-year-old from California who is set to graduate from Santa Clara University in June. 14 years old, it's pretty impressive, has been afforded a remarkable opportunity to contribute to SpaceX Starlink project. Starlink is SpaceX's ambitious satellite internet constellation, aims to provide global broadband coverage, revolutionize connectivity in the world. Only about 66% of the world's population has access to the internet period. So the other third are wide open, and that's where I think Starlink's really going to capitalize. This extraordinary hiring decision serves as an inspiration to young minds everywhere, showcasing that age should not limit one's potential or ability to make significant contributions to scientific and technological advancements of our time. Epic Games, the renowned video game development company, has recently introduced a tool called MetaHuman Animator that allows for the capturing and rendering of high-quality human faces in digital environments. This cutting-edge technology represents a significant advancement in the realm of realistic character animation. With MetaHuman's Animator, developers and animators can now easily create lifelike facial animations with incredible detail, providing a new level of immersion and realism in gaming and other digital experiences. The tool utilizes machine learning and advanced algorithms to capture facial performances, preserving the subtle nuances and expressions that make human faces so unique. By empowering creators to generate highly realistic digital humans effortlessly, Epic Games is revolutionizing the field of character animation and pushing the boundaries of visual fidelity in video games, virtual reality, and other interactive media. This innovation opens up new avenues for storytelling and creative expression, allowing developers to deliver captivating experiences that blur the line between real and digital. This is your face in the metaverse conversing with other people. It's really cool. All right, we got big capital raises for the week. No new unicorns this week, but here are a few highlights. Instabase is an AI workflow automation solution, raised $45 million Series C at a $2 billion valuation. Tribe Capital Lev, NEA, A16Z, and Greylek, and others participated. La Renyan, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, an Indian pharmaceutical company, raised a $200 million Series C at a $900 million valuation, an 80% increase from its $500 million valuation Series B in January of 2021. 30 months ago, Goldman invested there. And Thunes, a cross-border payments platform, raised a $60 million Series C at a $795 million valuation. That's a 53% increase from its $518 million valuation Series B. And last up, we got pre-IPO company stock performance. Pre-IPO stocks were down for the week, 69 basis points. They still lagged the S&P, which was up 17 bips for the week. Pre-IPO stocks trailed the S&P by 28% year-to-date. Year-to-date, we got Deal up 3.67%. Stripe, Discord, Epic Games, Flexport, Chime, and Brex are all down over 30%. Brex is close to 50% down, which is surprising considering the numbers that we just went through. This week, Deal is up 4.88%. I'm telling you, Deal is a winner. If you haven't seen this company, check it out. It's DEEL. Flexport is up 1.45%. Epic Games was down 5.89%. Databricks was down 7.02%. Okay, that's it for this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you all next week.